morning, guys. We are going out on the lake another day. It's currently 11 something, I think, but we're gonna drop the baby off with my parents, and we're gonna take Penelope, and we're going out with Sean's family this time. So we got a whole crew, and we are actually taking the jet ski this time. We had a little, well, baby had a little bit of...
I had a rough morning this morning. My dad is gonna tow the jet ski with his truck, but he wanted to rotate his tires, so we had to do that. And then just before leaving, I was like, let me just make sure the jet ski starts. And then when I put the key in, nothing happened, and I was like, oh my god, here we go. So we did a quick diagnostic. It wasn't really quick, it was like 30 minutes worth of like pulling wires, checking fuses.
Hold on,
we
babe.
finally checked it in.
Okay, hold on.
It started, so we swapped one of the fuses out, and hopefully that's the end of all the fiascos for today.
So hopefully it runs good when we get on the water, and stay tuned for our boating adventures.
This is the view. Yeah, right now it's a little bit windy, so I apologize for all the wood noise. Having lots of fun today. There are some fishes in here, some bluegills. I'm trying to find them now. Damn, I lost them all, dude. They were like big as fuck, too. Oh, right here.
Guys, sorry we kind of, I feel like we lagged a little bit, but we got all the family out here. We got the tent up, we ate some good food. We did a lot of tubing, some swimming.
How many times did you fall off the tube?
Once.
Yeah.
But, you know, the tubing thing is just not for me, but, you know, baby likes the tubing, so we gotta do the tubing for him. But it was fun. It's really nice out here. It's 6:03 right now.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's late.
Yeah, I know. But anyways, we're having a good time. Everyone's just chilling.
Where's that that beef? Hey, you having more of that beef, Lita? Ow. I just want a couple pieces. All right, Christy and Chan are on these are the first victims of the day. This is probably gonna be the second. What's her husband?
Okay, they're ready.
Chris, he said you guys are the first victims. He literally said that.
Oh, there's some weight right there.
Baby! Okay. No, he's so close, okay? Sit close to mommy. Put my foot over you.
They probably like, oh, Christy was like, just like, oh, dude.
She told them that if it gets too much, she was
like, we're done.
Huh? Yeah, that was crazy. That was...
How was it?
Dude, really, bro?
Did you let go?
Hella weak, dude.
Felt like you guys.
Alright, we'll flip it. We'll flip it for you guys.
Actually,
that was hella weak.
It's my... Oh, we are all gonna ride in this position once.
No.
Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. That's fair.
No!
That's fair.
we gotta ride in position.
That's fair.
What do you mean?
Alright, Lena. Let's go.
I'm next?
Yeah.
Right now?
It was easy, but
Because then
Alright,
we'll
babe.
switch it. We'll
Alright.
switch it once all of us
Yeah,
ride
let's
it,
go,
and then we'll just do it.
There you go.
Alright.
Barely 92.
Letta, my sister, my brother-in-law.
So nervous.
we have the thing flipped. We made the agreement that we're all gonna ride it this way on our knees, and then we'll flip it back to the front way. Yeah.
I thought you were like.
So how are you feeling?
A little nervous actually.
Okay, we're just gonna fly off.
I'm actually.
We'll just let go.
Nah, you can't just let go, bro.
I'm gonna hold on as long
We're
as
just gonna take off.
How would you know then?
Hey.
Huh?
How would you know?
We're just gonna take off then. You're just gonna be stuck in the middle of the water.
Look, I try to hold on as long as I can.
The crazy part is that I saw when the moment I hit the
Penelope.
I tried to look to the left, but I couldn't see. But there was still nobody. Sean, you know I do have a daughter, right?
Yeah.
Just letting you know. It's a little loose up here.
Okay.
Sister.
Baby, you wanna do the rope?
Oh my god.
All right. Can you guys film them? Make sure like you for sure
Sean,
film.
I swear.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome to our channel.
How do you hold?
Like any way you want that.
Yeah.
Whatever
Anywhere.
way feels like secure. Sister, siéntate.
No way feels secure.
Come on, up.
Any last words?
I'm nervous as fuck. How?
Soraya, your parents love you.
Yes. Yeah, I'm just gonna fly. Wait, my shoe. I have water shoe.
It's okay. Yeah.
I got it on your phone.
How was it? Not bad.
Good.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's just, I did get hit right there in my head.
We saw you go face forward, bro.
We saw. We saw. We
Got
saw,
it on camera.
we saw you flip.
Something hit my head.
You flipped.
I flipped.
You flipped.
Yeah. It was like you under the tube. in the tube.
Yeah, I think the tube hit me.
Yeah, there was no choice. We had to let go.
It's a lot to do with your leaning too. If you lean into the both you guys lean into the turn, and you won't flip.
That's why I told him.
Into the turn? You
Yeah,
did the opposite of the
opposite,
turn.
Yeah, we did
See? We tried to lean.
What was
You guys
leaning?
lean into two.
No, we leaned on the opposite, but then you fucking did a cut.
Yeah, no, you did the fucking stop and pull. That's that drag.
My bad. That was...
Oh, my bad.
All right, who's next?
You too.
You too.
What you talking about? I did that shit.
Fine, you don't know how to drive
Just
a
make
boat.
sure you don't crash, bro. Like seriously, though. Like that's a line right there. So just...
Alrighty, victim number 3, getting ready to load up.
It's a lot more fun when you do the other way, I guess. Well, this is we all got to flip once, you know, and then we ride like hard. On the,
Ride hard.
Then we cruise.
You ready to drive?
That was
You ready to drive?
good.
Well, adrenaline, okay.
I tried to hold on as long as
He's like, I'm not holding on forever. I'm like, you can't. You go.
I look-y thought like I was gonna be crying when I picked her up.
Did you hear me screaming?
Yeah.
Oh.
How was it?
just saw
It's not bad.
We just saw you flip the left. That was one of a flip.
Can you hold my
Yeah.
and my child?
Your child. You can fly. Oh, you put it in there. Yeah, hold
All right, so the middle is neutral, obviously. You'll feel the clicks. So,
Turn on.
Oh shit.
yeah, just be careful when
You
you do
hold
like the
it,
whip,
sister.
just so it doesn't.
I'm so scared.
It's okay, I did it.
My
If I
sister-
could do it, you could do it.
Yes, you did.
Are they gonna record the GoPro?
And make
Say
sure
hi.
when you guys take off, you don't want to take off hella slow because then it might sink too. So you gotta go like kind of.
A little rough.
Ready?
Here, I got the rope.
You gotta let it go slowly.
I know. Pee when you flip.
It's good. That's good.
That's not it.
Oh my glasses!
Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh my god!
Bro! Wait, is the ladder still up too?
Yeah, the ladder.
It's done.
The ladder's up too.
The lid broke. Well, baby, you have to, it's gonna fly. You have
The lid broke.
The lid came off. The lens, the
Fix
lens.
later, we'll fix later.
We have it. Say bye, mommy. Look, mommy's ready.
Mommy's so cute.
All right.
You saw her jump off, so you jumped off.
No, I didn't jump off. My shoulder got dislocated because I couldn't hold on anymore.
That was my bad.
I
Bro,
was like, watch
my guy did not go forward at all. He just stood there.
My hands are literally bright red because I couldn't hold on.
I called out, I was like, watch
All I did was hold on and drop like. All I saw.
Can you hold the camera?
Did I get hurt?
Oh, poor Brianna.
I'm gonna be cooked tomorrow.
But now I know.
I knew I
Like no, like.
I knew it was gonna whip us too. Like I couldn't because the line was like short and.
I don't know. That's what I realized. Like when I turned, I was like, "Oh shit, that's just like hella short. This is about a whip." We're learning. What?
Mommy's okay, sister.
She goes, she don't care.
Sister's chilling. You chilling, huh?
You as you move.
Look, you gotta record your mommy.
Mommy's okay.
Next victims. Not too fast, because I gotta let the rope go. Yeah.
have Soraya on the boat now.
Soraya, say hi. Say hi, baby. Sister. Say hi.
Hey,
my
white
God.
privilege, okay? White privilege.
Hey, look, orange chicken. Orange chicken. You're so cute.
What did you say?
I said I'm gonna beat you guys.
You're gonna beat us?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
They're talking shit. They're flipping us off. What the hell wrong with you? They're like this.
I thought that was hill fun. You got the whole thing.
Yeah, it's like, oh, fucking around with it. It's like, it's so tired.
We got the boats parked up. Just finished a bunch of tubing. Well, we're gonna have a bunch of clips. There's our boat. There's my uncle's North River. Got the jet ski coming in right here. Oh,
Okay, let me see.
that's-
I have no life jacket.
Chan wants to buy my jet ski, right?
Hell fucking no. We got no money for that shit. Okay, you have
More nuts.
Sharing nuts.
She likes them. They're not good for her teeth, I believe.
You like it?
No, come on.
Penelope,
Eat those and
you like the corn nuts?
You like it?
Look,
Say hi.
say hi. Hi.
She just wants it. Eat what's in their hand. Eat those. Hey guys, we are back at the dock. It's almost 8 o'clock and the sunset is setting. I got a couple clips so you guys can see the beautiful scenery. But
My dad's gonna get the boat or the trailer.
Yeah, the truck and the trailer so we
that way
can.
we just float around for now and not take up a dock space because
Yeah.
we gotta do chop, 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 chop.
Yeah, we got 2 boats and 1 jet ski right now, so
So it's packed, and I lost my hat.
I know. That means we just have to have date night at
Daikon barbecue.
Yeah.
My Daikon brown hat.
he has one of each color from there. But we are just floating around. It was a good time. I'm so
Penelope's
tired.
right there.
Penelope, say hi. This girl's exhausted, no nap. But we had hella good food, and I'm gonna take more of those chocolate bars.
Yeah, we're gonna
Really
take all the leftover food that's good. We're gonna take them.
But it was
And,
super
yeah.
fun. I had a good time. Penelope, she just wants to ride in the boat the entire time. But it was a good time, and we gotta go pick up the baby and baby's monkey. We gotta go pick up baby's sister, and we gotta unload the boat, and we're gonna just chill. And tomorrow we're gonna have a relaxing day.
Relaxing day.
Yep, recovery day. But yeah, guys, I'll
I'm
go
tired.
ahead. I know. I'm sorry, baby. I'll go ahead and try to film once we get in the car and situated on our way home. Hey guys, it's the next day from our lake day, and we are absolutely drained. Like, like so tired. We tried to take a nap, and like the baby just wasn't having it. We like woke up super sore, necks hurting, just anything you can think of at this point. Probably from like all the tubing we did. But yeah, we got our Starbies though.
We've been to the lake maybe like six or seven times this summer, and out of all those times, we've never experienced
I've never
this
felt
type
like
of like
this.
drainage.
Yeah, like sure, I've been like a little bit like tired, but not like this. Like, this is another level. But we're gonna hopefully chill for the rest of the night.
Yeah, we had a good time yesterday, so
Yeah.
it's all worth it.
Yep. And hopefully we can do a couple more.
Yeah, I think we got a couple more lake days.
A couple more lake days left before the summer ends, and the cold weather begins, which I'm excited for because I love fall weather, but I do enjoy lake days with you, baby. Still looking for parking. But anyways, yeah, we just wanted to update you guys the next day and let you guys know how beat up and exhausted we are. So, stay tuned for more adventures. Bye, guys.